Hey guys, Jody with Only Have One Life to Live, and today we're knocking one off the bucket list. Kelly and I are going hang gliding at the Florida Ridge Airsports Park in Clewiston, Florida.
And we got fires over there and overfire over there.
Yes, he said fires. There are two humongous fires burning on either side of us over here. They're burning off the sugar cane to get all the chemicals and stuff off of it.
Let's go to cruise. Clear.
And here we go, we're taking off. So they towed us with a small ultralight looking airplane especially designed for towing hang gliding. And they tow you off the ground and then you disconnect. And once you disconnect, then you're free flying after you're in the air. We went up to about 2,000 feet above ground and we just sort of cruised around and stuff and had a great time. Everything you need to know is in the description down below about the Florida Ridge Airsports Park and how you can go hang gliding if you're around the Clewiston, Florida area. Okay, you're going to see the pilot move his hand over to the right and he's going to grab like a little brake looking handle and he's going to press it and it's going to disconnect the tow line and then we'll be free flying. Along the way, it's quiet enough that all you hear is wind going by your ears and stuff. So you can talk to the pilot who's actually flying the hang glider, and you'll see in just a moment that you actually get to fly the hang glider as well. So stay tuned for some whoop-de-doos. for it. There's about to be some whoop-de-doos and some tricks in the air.
There we go.
That was awesome.
Good job, flying.
He's doing Superwoman.
That's what it is. It's just one arm. Just a one-armer. Okay, now it's Kelly's turn, so stay tuned for Kelly going up.
All right.
She's ready, I'm ready. Go, go, go. Here we go, Kelly.
All right.
Enjoy the scenery in the place.
He was gonna, and then I don't know.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.